They say that getting there is half the fun, and when you travel in a group, nothing could be more true. At Travelinks Premium Transportation Services, we take the hassles out of group travel so you can have even more fun getting there. With more than 40 years of experience providing motor coach and shuttle transportation in Florida to destinations across the United States, Travelinks is a proven transportation leader. No group is too small or too large to experience our excellence in service. Our fleet consists of late-model, European-style motor coaches with panoramic windows, reclining seats, footrests, and clean restrooms. DVD, TV monitors are provided as well as individual air conditioning and reading light controls. Our vehicles are also maintained to the highest standards by factory-trained mechanics, and our operators are friendly, highly trained professionals, continually educated and certified by our driver certification program. We're also committed to safety and the environment. All seats have individual seat belts, and speeds are carefully controlled by our drivers. And to help reduce emissions, our engines feature regeneration technology. From passenger vans and mid-size vehicles to full-size luxury motor coaches, our fleet is ideal for church groups, students, cruise groups, the military, reunion groups, wedding parties, business functions, and much more. Travelinks also offers the only fleet of sleeper coaches in the country. In fact, we offer long-standing expertise in long trips. Our state-of-the-art, full-sized executive motor coaches with only 38 first-class seats are perfect for everyone from the executive traveler to the professional athlete. Another Travelinks specialty is handling corporate events and supplying transportation to destination management companies for trade shows and meetings. For easy tracking and enhanced safety, our control room constantly monitors coach locations using advanced GPS systems. Your complete satisfaction is priority number one for us, and our large volume of repeat business is your assurance of outstanding customer service. With personalized service, an outstanding fleet, and the flexibility to serve any need, Travelinks is your travel partner. When your group is on the go, go with Travelinks. Travelinks takes you there.